You asked, how to divide 1110 by 6 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 11. 11 divided by 6 equals 1. 1 times 6 equals 6. 11 minus 6 equals 5. Bring down 1, making 51. 51 divided by 6 equals 8. 8 times 6 equals 48. 51 minus 48 equals 3. Bring down 0, making 30. 30 divided by 6 equals 5. 5 times 6 equals 30. 30 minus 30 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 185.